Casement windows are a popular choice among Meridian homeowners for their sleek design, energy efficiency, and excellent ventilation. Hinged at the side and operated with a crank, casement windows open outward, offering unobstructed views and a clean, modern aesthetic. However, like any investment in your home, they require proper care to maintain their beauty and function over time. Whether you've just installed new casement windows or you've had them for years, regular maintenance is key to extending their lifespan and ensuring peak performance. Here are some expert casement window maintenance tips tailored for Meridian homeowners. Clean the glass and frames regularly. Meridian's varying climate, with hot summers, cold winters, and occasional storms, means your windows are exposed to dirt, dust, pollen, and moisture year-round. To keep your windows looking their best, use a gentle, non-abrasive glass cleaner and a microfiber cloth to remove smudges and grime from the glass. Wipe down the interior and exterior window frames using a mild soap and water solution. Avoid harsh chemicals that can damage vinyl, wood, or aluminum finishes. A clean window not only improves your view but also prevents buildup that could affect the hardware and seals. Lubricate the crank and hinges. Casement windows use a mechanical crank system to open and close. Over time, this mechanism can stiffen due to dust, dirt, or lack of use, especially in areas with fluctuating humidity levels like Meridian. To prevent wear and ensure smooth operation, apply a silicone-based lubricant to the crank mechanism and hinges every 6 to 12 months. Open and close the window a few times after lubricating to distribute the product evenly. Avoid petroleum-based products, which can attract dust and damage components. Regular lubrication prevents strain on the window components and keeps them functioning smoothly for years to come. Inspect and maintain the seals and weather stripping. Casement windows are known for their tight seal, which makes them energy efficient. However, seals and weather stripping can degrade over time due to temperature changes and sun exposure. Check for any cracks, peeling, or gaps in the seals around the window frame. Replace worn or damaged weather stripping to prevent air leaks and water intrusion. Ensure that the sash closes tightly against the frame without resistance. Keeping these elements in good condition helps your home stay comfortable year-round and lowers your utility bills. Check for moisture or condensation. Meridian's seasonal shifts can sometimes lead to condensation, especially on older or poorly insulated windows. Look for signs of moisture between panes, which may indicate a seal failure in double or triple pane glass. Wipe away any surface condensation to prevent mold or mildew buildup. If persistent fogging occurs, consider consulting a window professional to assess insulation and ventilation. Addressing condensation early can prevent long-term damage and help maintain healthy indoor air quality. Tighten loose hardware. Over time, the nuts, bolts, and screws that hold your casement windows in place may loosen due to daily use or seasonal expansion and contraction. Periodically inspect the window hardware and use a screwdriver to tighten any loose fasteners. Replace missing or stripped screws with appropriate replacements to ensure stability. This simple step improves window performance and reduces the risk of further damage. Protect your windows from harsh weather. while casement windows are built to withstand the elements. Meridian's weather, especially winter snow and summer UV rays, can be harsh on window materials. In extreme temperatures, avoid forcing windows open or closed if frozen shut. Use protective window treatments like blinds or curtains to shield interior frames from prolonged sun exposure. Taking preventive measures helps preserve the integrity and appearance of your windows. Final thought: casement windows are a smart and stylish choice for Meridian homeowners, but like all quality features, they require care. With regular cleaning, lubrication, and seasonal checkups, you can keep your windows functioning like new for years to come. If you ever encounter issues beyond simple maintenance, don't hesitate to contact a local window specialist in Meridian. Their expertise can help you protect your investment and enjoy the comfort and beauty that casement windows bring to your home.